Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. If you're not aware already, my name is Tyler Ray, and I filmed this makeup look here for you. I have no idea what I'm going to call it. I know there's a little bit of pink, there's a little bit of teal, there's a little bit of turquoise, and some nude lip. So if you actually want to know how I got this look, then just keep watching.
Turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you. Lie all the faith of the world in your plans, guarding your faith with the palm of your hands. I know, yeah, I know. It's the unknown, the unknown. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me
Well guys, that is it. I really hoped you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so that you can see future videos. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.